Mistplay does not publish a fixed customer support response time, so there is no official promise like, reply within 24 hours, that you can rely on in 2026. The fastest way to get help is to submit a support request with the exact problem, your account details, and any screenshots that show what went wrong. By the end, you'll know where to contact Mistplay, what information to include, and what to check before sending another request. For Mistplay-specific problems, start with the Help Center. Mistplay recommends checking its support articles before contacting the support team, because many common issues already have troubleshooting steps. If the Help Center does not solve the problem, use the Submit a Request option through Mistplay support. You can also contact Mistplay at support@mistplay.com, mail to support@mistplay.com. Mistplay lists this as its support email, so make sure you are contacting the official address rather than replying to a random message. The information you include can affect how easily support can investigate the problem. If your issue involves missing units, playtime tracking, an account problem, or an app error, describe exactly what happened and include screenshots when possible. For example, if Mistplay is not tracking your game progress, tell support which game you installed, what happened to the tracking, and when you noticed the problem. If you see an error code, include the complete code instead of only saying that the app is broken. There is another important distinction. Mistplay says that it does not develop the games listed in its app. If the problem is inside the actual game, such as a crash, bug, or missing game feature, Mistplay recommends contacting that game's developer directly. You can usually find the developer's support information on the game's Google Play Store page. Also check your spam or junk folder after contacting support. Mistplay specifically lists a support@mistplay.com, mail to support@mistplay.com as its support address, so adding it to your contacts can help prevent support messages from being filtered. So, the key point is simple. Mistplay does not give users a guaranteed response time frame, so don't rely on a specific number of hours or days. Check the Help Center first, submit one detailed support request when needed, and include screenshots or error codes that help identify the issue. Your next step is to open Mistplay's Help Center and search for your exact problem before submitting a request. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay guides and fixes.